So hi everyone, when we look at the market turning points on this chart, we can be able to spot that there was something in common on this chart. And what we are going to be looking at is these patterns right here. That one, there is this, and maybe this one. And you can see that they are on the turning points of this chart, okay? So this pattern is what we call the Tweezer bottom. Right here, it occurs on a downtrend or a big retracement within a downtrend, and then it is followed up by a big move up in a different direction. That's the uptrend. So this pattern is called the Tweezer bottom. So Tweezer bottom signifies a potential bottom within a downtrend, and therefore we expect a big retracement or a reverse into an uptrend. Okay, so a Tweezer bottom is whereby you get a bearish candle, and then the subsequent bullish candle forms a body which is exactly similar to the previous bearish candle. The wicks may differ, okay, but the bodies are equal. So you can see it right here that they have similar bodies and wicks. Even here they have similar bodies and wicks. And then after forming them on this short-term downtrend, we're able to get this uptrend. Big retracement in the uptrend, you get a Tweezer bottom, and then you follow up with an uptrend. Big retracement, Tweezer bottom, and then followed by an uptrend. So in this video, we are going to be studying more of the Tweezer bottom. Okay. So in this video, we are going to be explaining everything you need to know about the Tweezer bottom. And once again, it occurs on a downtrend, okay? And we get a bearish candle, but the subsequent bullish candle is identical to the previous bearish candle. Sometimes the wicks may differ, but the bodies are always identical, and therefore we expect a new trend up. Okay? So the Tweezer bottom, that is how they look like. So this is a 2 candlestick reversal pattern, and it appears on a bottom of a downtrend, and the candles share either the high or low but represent moves in opposite direction. So what we are saying is that the open, okay, this is the bearish candle. Where it closes, that is where the bullish candle will start from, and then they will share this top. Okay, this has been the open, but yet it becomes the close of the bullish candle, and therefore it shows that we have shifted the market sentiment from the bearishness into a bullishness. Okay, so at the bottom is where our initial bearish candle continues in a downtrend, closing at or near a low, which then becomes the low of the sequence bullish candle that we have explained, and they indicate that once price reached a significant level, there was a dominancy which came up from a different energy, and therefore we get a different market sentiment. Okay. So on this chart, we are going to be spotting some Tweezer bottom, and we can see that we have it right here. Number one, when you're looking for Tweezer bottom, you have to look it for on a downtrend or a big retracement within an uptrend. So we expect them either from a downtrend or when you get a big retracement from an uptrend, because in an uptrend we get to this series higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So at the start of the uptrend, we can expect some Tweezer bottom, or we can see them on the retracement within this uptrend. So for example, here you can see that this was an onset of an uptrend, okay, and then after this big retracement, we got this Tweezer bottom, and then we were able to get a new trend up. So that is a Tweezer bottom. So you expect it when you're on a clear downtrend or a big retracement on an uptrend. Okay, so let us see the market entries for this Tweezer bottom. So on the chart, you can see that we have here some little bit of uptrend, downtrend, right here, up, down, up, up. And then here we're making a new uptrend, but it failed because of this opposite candles of what you're looking at, and this is the Tweezer top. So here after getting this downtrend, okay, we can see that down here we have a tweezer bottom right here. Irrespective of this bullish candle having a higher wick, we can see that they have identical bodies. And then it is the same case even right here. So when you get them, when you get a tweezer bottom followed by a different market move, and then you get a tweezer bottom, the signal which is gotten at the second time is already stronger. And this one here is already stronger than this one. So where is the entry point? When you get your tweezers bottom, okay, one, if you are a greedy trader and you don't fear risk, it means that you will enter at the exact tweezers. So for example, here, you will just come and put your buy stop order right above the swing high of that previous bullish candle, and then you get a stop loss, and then you can be able to get to catch the wave up. But in most cases, what happens is that after getting this tweezer bottom, the market will try to move up, make a retracement, and then be able to push up once again, because it has to move, make a retest, as some people say. But sometimes I'm saying it is collecting energy to move higher in simpler explanations. So on my view is that after getting your tweezer bottom, okay, number one, you have to wait for a confirmation candle. So for example, right here, you have your tweezer bottom, wait for a confirmation bullish candle. So the entry point was supposed to be here. And then a stop loss, and then you can be able to catch the wave up. So take profit, one is supposed to be on a previous support or resistance. You can see this is a support level. This is where take profit one was, and then another take profit was supposed to be here. Okay, so that is the tweezer bottom. As a recap, it occurs in a downtrend. Okay, and when it occurs, we expect that the market price is going to change. Therefore, wait for a confirmation bullish candle, and then we can be able to place our buy stop order. Or sometimes it can happen in big retracements within an uptrend, and we can see that here on these turning points, we can be able to spot some tweezer bottom. When it is in a clear uptrend and then you get a tweezer bottom, okay, we don't need to wait for this confirmation candle. What we do, we just place our buy stop and then we catch the continuation. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for support and for more videos like this. My name is Jordan. I'll see you in the next video.